Good morning, students. Today's topic is Weberian apparatus. Myself, Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. Dear students, as we know that fish, they are a major food source and fishing is an important industry. A great deal of fishery research is conducted in government laboratories as well as in institutional aquarium. So regarding these fishes, one important thing is the Weberian apparatus, and there is a controversy in its development. If we see the Weberian apparatus, it is an anatomical structure that connects the swim bladder to the auditory system in fishes which belong to the superorder Osteophysi. This is important. When it is fully developed in an adult fish, the apparatus is collectively referred to as Weberian ossicles in fully developed fishes, and they are not found in every fishes. They are only found in the fishes that belong to the superorder Osteophysi. Now this word, this apparatus was first described by Weber, a scientist in 1820, has the name Weberian apparatus. Sometimes a question is asked from which word it has been derived. So it is derived from a Greek word. Osteophysian means bone and bladder, and it is sensitive to sound and can hear a wider range of sound. By this Weberian apparatus or the Weberian ossicles, the fishes, they are able to detect the sound. Then where it is located? The Weberian ossicles, they are located on east side of the vertebrae. Here you can see in the diagram that you see in the middle there is a vertebrae, and on east side, on upper side also you see a black structures. These are the ossicles or the bones, and lower side also. So on east side of the vertebrae, these Weberian ossicles are located. So you can see very well how this is the gas bladder and this is the Weberian ossicles, and they are connected to the ear. So they are acting as a link between the swim bladder and the ear. The Weberian ossicles are present, and they consist of, here you can see the bone. The lower black one is, this is the tripus, then second is the intercalarium, scaphium and the colostrum. So these are the four bones which are comprised of this Weberian ossicles. The Weberian apparatus, what is its function? Auditory function. How? It is transmitting the sound vibration from the swim bladder to the ear, internal ear. So they are helping in auditory function. Here in the diagram, as I showed you very well, again you see this is a swim bladder. Here these are they are located on these vertebrae, the four bones, and they are connected to the internal ear. So this is the function. Now how these sound vibrations, they are moving? When the sound vibrations, they are coming from the swim bladder, so swim bladder will vibrate. When the swim bladder will vibrate, what happens? These bones which are situated on these vertebrae, they also vibrate. And these vibrations, how they are going? From the tripus to the intercalarium, and in between you can see the ligament is there. From this ligament, it is going to the scaphium, and this scaphium is attached to the colostrum, and this through colostrum it is going to the membranous labyrinth of the internal ear. And in this way vibrations, they are moving. Now in the another diagram also, here you can see very well how this, you can see here this is a swim bladder, and on the vertebrae you can see the Weberian ossicles, these pink color structures, and they are attached to the ligaments, and through perilymph they are going to the endolymph of the internal ear. So this how these, and this is a semicircular canals of the ear. So fishes, they are able to detect the sound by the help of these vibrations. You must have seen when you are throwing a stone in the water, how the fishes, they are moving away. So they hear the sound of this through this Weberian apparatus, and they move apart. So it is a characteristic feature of the fishes of the order, which order? Osteophysi. This included the fishes such as carps, minnows, sucker fish and the catfishes. Now, what is the function of the Weberian apparatus? That auditory, they are sensitive to sound frequency, बहुत huge sound भी सुन सकती हैं. Hydrostatic function, detection of variation in atmospheric change, how they are protecting when there is change in atmospheric pressure, then this Weberian apparatus, it is helping them. And the detection of sound direction, they can detect and they move apart according to that sound, and they make their movement. So this is a very simple organ, Weberian apparatus, but performing very important function. Hope you have understood. And in the next class, we are going to study about next important topic. Till then, goodbye and thank you.